So basically, right now the gun is on full auto, which means the cutoff lever does not get engaged. So as you can see, the bridge gets pushed forward into the trigger assembly and makes a connection. Nothing happens to it. But when you put the gun on semi-auto, you engage the cutoff lever, which makes the bridge pop up and over the trigger. In this case, too much. See? It's now no longer on the track because the trigger assembly is damaged. So if I was to take a screwdriver real quick here, just to make sure I don't hurt my fingers. Basically get that guy. There we go. Fix it back in. Put it back on full auto. Works again. Second we put it back on semi-automatic. Got nothing.